Hello everybody, I am going to finally share with you guys how I create my own alcohol blending solution or the similar product. I got the idea on the internet. I can't remember if it was YouTube, Pinterest, what it was, but I am not going to take credit for it because I did not come up with this. It was already out there on the internet somewhere. So what you're going to need is something on your work surface that you do not want to, that you don't mind getting ruined. I have multiple plastic mats on my desk, and gloves if you want, if your skin is sensitive because you will be using the alcohol. Also a empty bottle. I use the old alcohol blending solution bottle, and then also glycerin. And then you're going to take the 91% regular alcohol. You can get this anywhere. Fill up the bottle to your desired amount. I do it all the way. That way I have tons. Well, not tons, because after a few plays with it, I tend to use more than I should. But anyways, I am going to now add a drop or two of the glycerin. So you do not want to add too much. That's why I only have like a little slit in there. I found the glycerin in the baking aisle at the craft store. I believe it was Michael's, so that's where you can find that. And then you're going to close it back up. And then you're just going to shake it around, and it acts as kind of the same as the Ranger alcohol blending solution, because the glycerin is like oily, so it helps move the alcohol around a little bit and helps it not dry as fast. All right, so that is going to complete the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that bell so you get the notifications when I upload. Hit that like button and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you want me to do next. All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye.